Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for stopping by. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. So today is day 4. Look for this beautiful little palette here. Yeah, I'm loving the Lost in Los Angeles palette. There are some pros and some cons. I'm going to talk about that more in tomorrow's last look that we do. Like I said in yesterday's look, I do want to work with the pastels more today. So we're just going to get into it basically. So let's go into the Abbey. That's the first shade I want to use. I've been using the Abbey all this week, just to lay down like a base to cover my white NYX at Paint Pot. Right, we need to zoom in. I wouldn't say it's the ideal travel palette just because there's no mirror in it. So, and also, would you wear these kind of colours, you know, while you're travelling? In my case, I'd probably wear more neutral. And there is neutral shades in here, to be fair. There's a few neutral shades that you could wear. But for me, it's not a travel palette. I wouldn't take it travelling. I mean, I really like it. I love pastels anyway. So yeah, I really do like it. Some perform better than others. So yeah, I will be talking to you about that tomorrow as well. Today it's all about just getting the colour down. Right. So to get the colours down, I'm just going to use the Cargo Magic Eye Brush. I think I'm going to go in with the 405. I was debating whether to go in with WeHo, but yeah, let's go in with the deeper shade. Just in the crease. Didn't realise the camera stopped, but I'm just going to put some of that WeHo shade in the outer V here. So this is going to be an all matte look today, an all matte colourful look. And the battery's starting to flash. Right, let's blend that out a little bit. I'd say this side's more pigmented. Right, I'm not too sure what I want to go in with next. Maybe Dreamer. So this really nice mint green for the inner portion. Yeah, it's quite pigmented. Right, so just put that mint green Dreamer shade on both sides of the eye. Right. I'm just trying to think what shade I want to use next. I think Abbott Kinney, this one here. I have used that a handful of times. It's quite a nice shade. Oh, that's looking nice. And then I did want more shades on the lid, but I don't think I'm going to be able to fit anything else. Then I'm going to go in with LAX because I've not used that one. Really liking the way this is looking. Very different for me, but very colourful at the same time. Okay. I've taken the colour from some of the shadows, so I'm going to go back in with Dreamer again. Then I'm going to go back in with Abbott Kinney. And then I'm going to go back in with LAX. And I'm going to put all these shades on the lower lash line as well. Okay, so that'll do. And then I'm going to blend again. Just a crease shade. Right, so I want zero shimmer on the lids, so I need to go in the inner corner. I'm hoping this is going to look okay with the shade The Abbey. Just that white, just to brighten up. Yeah, that looks good. Certainly doing the job. Like I said, it's just a really nice white. It almost looks like chalk. Okay, so now we need to concentrate on putting the exact same shades what are on the lids on the lash line. So we went in with mint green first, the Dreamer shade, so let's pop that on. Sick of this camera, absolutely sick of it. Right, clean off the brush and go in with Abbott Kinney. I honestly have no fault with these mattes. and for pastel mattes they are just really, really good. They're better than my mattes in my Morphe palette, or the ones I've tried so far. Right, and then we'll go in with LAX. I just feel like the right side, the 405 is a little bit deeper, so maybe we should go in with a little bit more of that. And for that I'm just using this Real Techniques just to try and get it matching as much as I can with the left eye. I think that's better. Okay, we'll leave that there. Then I'm going in with the Too Faced Perfect Eyes eyeliner. It's actually Too Faced Love eyeliner in Perfect Black. Then I'm going to go in with the Essence I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. I think that one's in, I don't know, but it's a really nice black mascara. Right, and because the eye look is crazy and colourful, we're going to have to pair it down with a neutral lip. So let me go and see what I've got. Okay, so I feel like wearing this one. This one is part of Project Pan, that's what the star indicates there. And it's the Dior Lacquer Stick in the shade 420 Underground. I haven't got much left, just that. But you don't get much in these things anyway. Just the tiniest amount. But it'd be good to actually have it as an empty one day. Right, so I'm really liking this overall colourful eye look. So this is what it looks like. I'm really liking this lipstick with this look as well. You know, my lips at the moment are so dry, so it's kind of like a bit of hydration for them. And it wears off like a lip tint as well, which is what I really like about it. So instead of putting something matte on them and kind of seeing every little flake of skin on my lips, I mean, there isn't that much flakiness, but there is some. I just thought I'd use that. And I've decided I'm probably not going to go to my mum's tonight. I'm still getting the really bad stomach cramps, so I might just stay home and rest. So this is day 4, look 4, with the BH Cosmetics Lost in Los Angeles palette. Tomorrow, let's see what we've got left. See, I don't know what to use tomorrow. I could use Rodeo Drive, this one here, or I could use Sunset Boulevard. Or I could do like a halo eye with the Rush Hour and the Hills. But I'm not too concerned what I do tomorrow, because at the end of the day it's going back in the collection, and at some point Pretty Random will choose it out for me to use. So yeah, I'm not too concerned what I'm going to use. Part of me really wants to use Rodeo Drive actually, but then again Sunset Boulevard looks really nice. So yeah, we'll see what we come up with tomorrow. Right guys, so this concludes the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate your time and support. Please like, it really does help out the channel. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Click the notifications bell. Please like, share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.